Welcome back, cruisers, to Prescribed Adventures. Today we are on Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest cruise ship, Star of the Seas, and we're going to go show you the Thrill Island neighborhood here. High adrenaline, high energy. Let's check it out. Thrill Island. And as with everywhere, lots of seating. And as you can see, amazing 6 slides on Star of the Seas. Category 6 water park. And we're going to give you a walkthrough. And here we have Thrill Island, established 2025.
And I know it's not thrilling right now, but I like to do these early morning walkthroughs so you really can see everything. So let me know down in the comments, do you prefer these early morning where everything is empty and I can give you a really good idea of where everything is? Or do you prefer when everybody's out and about and playing around?
And you can even see Icon of the Seas park on the other side. Maybe we'll get a picture of the broken slide. Come around and we're going to come up to the FlowRider area. And from up here we should get you some better shots of... Now it's bright and early. Probably around 7:30 right now. So here is the FlowRider, obviously not running at this time, as we just docked in Perfect Day at Coco Cay. So let's get you some amazing shots of that.
And there she is, Perfect Day at Coco Cay. And this actually be the last time in a long time that Star and Icon will be at Perfect Day together, as Star is about to start her 7 days on itineraries.
So here you have the Frightening Bolt and the Storm Chasers.
And as you can see, there is the Frightening Bolt, currently not being used because they're trying to figure out what went wrong with the Icon version before they get it up and running.
And you got your putt-putt golf right here. So as you can see, the sun coming up. So that was the putt-putt mini golf. We're going to head up to the sports court. Give you a quick look at that. So here you have the sports court. Basketball, pickleball, all the balls.
So back down below the sports court, we have Deserted, where you can get all these fancy ice cream concoctions. And I believe they also have them shakes that are a little spiked. And as we come around, and we are going to head to base camp. Another spot where you can get some quick bites, some pretzel bites, smash burger, and tater tots are the big things here that you can't get in most other places on the ship.
Got some footsie soccer right here, morning. And as I showed you from up above, There is the rock climbing wall. Race your friends up to the top, not me. And here we have the Crown's Edge.
And I did catch some footage of it being used later on in the day, so here you go. You got to walk around on the X's to get to the main platform, which would freak me out in general. And then you stand on the edge and it just drops away and you circle around. Like I said, not for me, I'm not one for heights, but my friends did it and they loved it.
So there you have it, folks. That was Thrill Island here on Royal Caribbean's newest, biggest cruise ship, Star of the Seas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out the playlist, as we have plenty of footage on Star of the Seas, all the neighborhoods, casino tour, all of our boarding day experiences. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share these videos with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.